Patrick here, PCTV. I'm here at Belmont Shores. It's the big one. And I'm going to be taking a little walk around here. So first off, let's take a look here. Beautiful convertible, marked grill, living fine, baby. Across the way here, looking like a 300 series Mercedes. Got a 62 Biscayne. Right next to it here, Mustang. I think it's 65. Is a 65 with a Coyote. These motors sound weird, but boy, they got a lot of horsepower. Yep, got your honeycomb grill. Everybody's running these LED lights now. Nice 5-window coupe right here. So yeah, a lot of folks here. We're just going to be walking around everybody and getting our way around.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So great wheels on this. Whose wheels are you running? HPRBR hot rod wheels. Ford powered, look at that. Look at your Hillborn setup. This is like a Steve Thomas's. It's a 1930 5-window coupe. Pretty sick. Take a look across. Our whole Surf City Classics group is across the way. Look at the bedwood in this steppy right here. Holy crap. Very cool. Loving that. Not sure exactly what it is. If you guys know what type of wood that is, I'd like to know. I'm guessing this is 71, but it's actually a 68. First year of the marker lights. Chrome wheels. Very sanitary under the hood. Like, you know, it does air conditioning, all the seat and everything. It's probably a vintage air setup. And again, that beautiful 68 front end that I just love. And I have a 70 and a 71, and of course I love the 68 front end better. Great, great truck. And we got a 67 GTO coming up on the right-hand side here. See a Ford Ranch wagon over there. Not sure if that's a 57 or a 56. I mean, excuse me, 58. Oh, it's a fairly wide. Well, we'll take a look at that. But yeah, let's take a look at this GTO here. 67 convertible. Beautiful. Look at that. He's done his rally wheels in chrome. That's pretty sick. Love the Ivory interior. Color matched steering wheel and column. He's got custom kick panels in it. Just a ton of work to it. One of my favorite features, of course, for Pontiac has always been the hood mounted tach. Just love that. The hood's down on it. Like to know what's underneath of it. But again, a lot of cars look so great with the hood down. It's hard not to. He's got a 389 in it. It says he's got 335 horsepower. And he's got a Big Daddy pick already from the Grand National Roadster Show. Check this out. 1956 Park Lane. This caught my eye when I was walking across the street, and I called it right on the year, believe it or not. Gorgeous overall. Look at this interior here. We got music going. Hopefully I won't get in trouble. Interior looks very, very correct. And I just love the two-tone green here. It's really badass. Excuse me, sir. Didn't mean to get in your way there. And yeah, beautiful car overall. Ford Effie. Shave work here. All this has been filled. This is the seal cut I'm going to do on the Frankentin. Exactly what I'm going to do. Flip front. What's he running for a motor? Is he Coyote? No, LS. That's unusual in a 55 Effie. Don't see that every day, but I love the seal coat. This is exactly what I'm going to do to my truck. The exact color I'm doing. Beautiful. Really like it. Let's see if we got an Imperial over here. Taking a look over here. Oh, it's a 300L. Oh, so yeah, this was the performance. Yeah, it's a straight up 300. This is a rare car right here. You don't see these every day. This is a 65. And you know, the 300 went till, they just killed it. The platform, I think, this last year or 2021. So no more Challengers, no more 300s. But it started as a 300M originally back in like 54. 61 bubble top right next to this here. Just super bad. This thing's a beauty. Can't beat this roof line. It's one of the most classic roof lines next to the Mercs of all time. And of course, anything that Harley Earl built was just amazing as well. Again, this is one of my all-time favorite cars. Bucket list car for me. Running a Chevy small block. Hey, he's got the same pulleys as mine. No AC. Got the CPP small brake setup on it. Beautiful grille. Looking really, really good. Look at this Pontiac. Is it Le Mans or does it go? It's 350. Should be Le Mans. Green interior, all original. Vinyl top. This is Grandma's car, but it's all color matched. You know, I do like the hood scoops on it. It's pretty dope. But yeah, it's the Le Mans. It's all shaved. Look down the street here. Yeah, baby. 68 Camaro right here. RS 327. Oh, it's winking. It's winking at us. And it's a nice example. 327. I wonder if that's a small journal. These things turn to the moon if it's a small journal. Great running engine. And it's got a numbers matching motor in it with the original 4-speed sag in it too. Wow, that's really cool. Very cool. Loving it. Numbers matching, huh? Oh yeah. Sick. Pushing pedals and pulling gears, as Dan always said. Overall, just a great car here. And just some of the top quality that you see here at Belmont. I'm thinking 64 Elko here. Look at that, he's got blue dots in it. Nice laydown on the paint. Really looks good. See if he's got the nozzle for the air shocks. Up the holes there. Yep. This was a factory option back in the day. My 65 had it right here, and this is where you would actually fill the air shocks from, but somebody took it out a long time ago. He's also got a custom interior out of something, looks like possibly a Camaro interior with the shifter and the seats. Let's just double check our nose here. And I'm sorry I'm wrong. It's got the flatter bumper. It's a 64. My bad. Big block in this sucker. Super dope. Yeah. Across the way there, 57 poster. Should be a 210, but it's been Bel Airized, as you say. But yeah, it's actually a 210 with Bel Air trim. Oh man, you don't see these every day. Skyline. We had number 2 Skyline ever brought in the United States when I worked for Steve Millen, and it was just a killer car. This JDM stuff has just gone through the roof, man. Just crazy. Right-hand driver. Bone stock the way it came from the factory. Just a monster, factory built. Steve took me for a ride in this thing, and he definitely got my attention. This is a story of it right here. Oh, there's Hideo. Huh? Oh my God, I know this. I knew this guy back in the day. That's a trip. To be around when these cars were first imported in, I felt really privileged to be able to ride in one, drive one, and to actually see one here is just very, very cool. All right, so we got ourselves a 56 FE over here, full flame job. Got a 1944 Cabriolet. Really beautiful. Got a little open spot here all of a sudden. Look at the interior. Owner's proudly showing it off right now. Wow, beautiful. Looks like an oxblood red.
Normally they have a wealthy.
And then offset top, Ford Deluxe. And he's running a small block Chevy in it. So for all you guys that I did the Ford powered vet, you guys can't be mad because look at all the Chevy power that goes into these Fords. Right across the way here, looking like a 65. He's running the chrome cruiser wheels. Look at all the folks here. It's just crazy how many people are coming through here. Short bed. Good interior. Oh, it's an E-knocker, my bad. Duh. 63. All those people walking by, I can't see, that's my excuse, I'm gonna stick with it. Yeah, they run the rally wheels, you know, they're budget minded, but overall, really good looking truck. Closed hood, original black plate. There you go. Oh, here's Nick's on second. This is a good spot. Continuing on. Man, look at this highboy here. I don't know what the taillights are, but it's pretty sick. Beautiful car. Channel? Yeah, it looks like a little channel to it. Look at that, nice interior. Looks comfortable. Air conditioning, nice stereo. Chevy powered. There's your sand and air compressor, your refrigerant compressor. Nice scratch work, by the way. Who did this one? And I can't quite read it, but he's got a great signature. Look at this 36 Slam. Oh, I know this car. It's a Slam 36. It's been around for quite a while. Absolutely beautiful. Take a look at this guy. It's a sweetheart. Really, really pretty.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, this one's been around for a while, you guys, and yeah, still looks fantastic. Nice build, Hillborn style injection. Is it Hillborn or aftermarket? Yeah, this 36 is badass. White block. What a trip. Huh. It's a trip. Very cool. Nice little bathtub. Fiberglass car, Volkswagen powered. Using a Type 2, Type 4, basically square back fan shroud here. And this is a glass car. Obviously the fender work will tell you that right off, but also the VW motor kind of gives it away, along with the Pro Comp gauges and everything else. But yeah, nice, you know, nice basically kit car. We call them kit cars, but they're specialty cars. Nice. Deluxe.
And how did you determine this?
Love the flipper caps on it. See, now this is a 50, but he did a split windshield. He's got a one-piece windshield, so it's a split windshield in the Chevy Deluxe. It's not chopped. Overall, just a really, really cool example. There you go, man. Up right in front of another Deluxe in front of it. Very stock. Love the taillights on this. It's got the original emblems. Oh, he's out of San Pedro. It's one of the Legends cars. So, yep, San Pedro guys here. Rolling hard. Badass steering wheel. And we got a 65 SS right here. This is sweet. I own one of these, lifted on 13s. And it's called 8-Ball of all things. It's a very popular car. I sold it to Japan. Hideo, he bought it. And never saw it again. Look at this butterscotch cream interior though. Very beautiful. Overall, great looking car. 327 stock. He's got the original SS caps. I had those as well on my 6.4. A lot of the stuff went from the 6.4 to 6.5, like the hubcaps, the badges, all that kind of stuff came straight over, but between the sheet metal, interiors, and everything else, completely different cars. Up here, this is another sweetheart out of San Pedro. 52. And this is a Bel Air, and look at the interior on this thing. Dang. Again, there's that super, super cool steering wheel, and with the 3 anti-theft device. So yeah, some millennial anti-theft device. So he's running the straight 6 in here. He's got AC on this bitch. You can make these run, man. You can really make them run. Beautiful setup here. Dual carb, split manifold, AC, forward mounted radiator. There's this condenser. Yeah, it's a top pro job here. Look down the street here, we got a later model Mustang, looking like a 66 Chevelle over here. Is it a big block or a 320? Yeah, 427 Quadrojet, 66. Tight. Got his windows closed because he probably doesn't want a paper parade under here. Look at this thing. Oh, and man, it's a 5-speed. He's got a Tremec in it. Very, very cool. Some of the crazy vendors we have. A wacky inflatable guy. And you got the plumbing squad here.
You are an unknown intruder.
There we go. The plumbing squad. They brought a 23T out here. Except they spelled squad wrong. You spend all that money and you can't get squad spelled right. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Bastard stabbing cabin.
I know, that's it. I know, I love that. That is so cool.
Here we go. Rat finking it. This is old school right here, my friends. Look at this. Wow. Super cool. Oh, look at that. He's got his equalizer in here. Lots of blue fuzz. Yeah, baby. You are not taking my daughter to the drive-in in this. No freaking way. This paint job's been on here for a long time. Look at that. The blister will tell you this sucker's been built for a long ass time. And the dingleberries, you don't see those ever very often. Overall, just super sweet. Very original. Takes me back. But yeah, again, this is an unrestored stabbing cabin of the day, because look at that. They got Garbage Pail Kid carpet in here and a Garbage Pail Kid card. Check out his freaking cooler. Got a KNAC boom box. The birthday party. Easy living, baby. Easy living. Moon eyes, the whole nine yards. The street here. Got to take a look at this 62 Steppy. Super, super clean. Two-tone reminds me of my late friend Daryl Deers. Daryl's was an amazing truck. I wish I knew where the truck ended up. Nice small block setup in here. Looking very cool. And we got a bump here, a long bed. Might have been a camper special. It's a custom cab, 68. Fully patinaed original. Using running slots. I don't know if they're US mags or not. Emma Jean's its name. Very, very cool truck. Get all the way in at the show here. Take a glance down the street here. Looking like a 63 at the very end of the line. Got like a 69 or 70 Bronco. Cool wagon. Not sure who built that. And let's walk down the other side of the show here now. Let's walk up to the 68 Charger. Beautiful. Tell from a mile away, 68. And I'll never forget, it's the round marker lights that immediately tell you it's a 68. Right away. My favorite field cap of all time on any vehicle right here. And this is just a beautiful example. It's almost a twin to my neighbors across the street that they bought brand new in 1968. I was 8 years old and I would just come over and drool on this car. And I'm still drooling today. Still one of my favorite cars of all time. Just love myself a good Mopar. I love the fact you have the turn signals in the hood. I thought that was such a great feature. Now this is Celine here. I think it's a Celine out of Alaska. Look at this. This is $1 million car right here. This is crazy. Wow. Let's get a look in here. This is definitely a street legal race car. Very, very cool.
They need special seats.
Cobra. I'm guessing it's a Celine. Daytona Le Mans.
And that in the back, the silver
Maybe it's not Celine.
fire extinguisher.
Overall, very, very cool.
Built in.
Get a look at here. Halon system in built.
Your car can
Turn signals behind the perspex. Overall, very, very cool. Exceptional bus here. Safaris. Liking the blue with the black. I've got a Calbug and I'm going to do my Safari windows in black. Nice gray tweed interior. Oh, look at this. You got a rear flip too. Nothing like breathing exhaust. But yeah, that's a beautiful 65 here. Let's see if we can get a peek in. Get a little look inside here. Gonna get it from the other side. The steering wheel here. Inlay. Looking like mother of pearl. Black. Carbon fiber shift cap, or shift knob, excuse me. He's got his tack mounted. Like the shifter. I don't know who made that shifter, but it's badass. Let's see. Always getting a good peeking point right here. Let's take a look inside. There we go. Yeah, she's pretty. Very, very nice. Definitely one of the finer V-dubs here. 1960 Impala Sport Coupe. Is it an SS? Man, she is gorgeous. Look at that houndstooth interior. Good old Felix is hanging out in the back. Caps on this thing are just gorgeous. What a beautiful example of a 60. Just love it. Nice Continental kit on it. Oh, look at this. He's got full blinds, louvers in the back. These are old school aluminum with the bars. He's got the old school Frigidaire. Oh, this is actually an Imperial air conditioner. That is vintage dealer optioned add-on. Really, really cool. Very sick. Look at that little deflector. Gorgeous car overall. He's got badging on it. It's just slick. Sick, sick, sick.
More soul free.